Samsung has launched iTest, an interactive website experience that's designed to allow iPhone users to test out Android on a Galaxy device, or sample the other side, as Samsung puts it. And yeah, I mean, this video won't be super long, but I do think it's a pretty smart idea from Samsung. It gives the average consumer a way to see what the phone might look like and what it might feel like if you do in fact decide to switch over to a Samsung device. Now, if you want to try this out for yourself, just head over to itest.nz and you'll be immediately prompted to add this website as a shortcut to your home screen. Now, once you go through that and a few more prompts, you'll basically begin to experience a simulation of Samsung's version of Android on your iPhone. You can launch apps, you can tap on widgets, you can open up the camera app, or message your best friend, which is generic friend 1. You'll get texts along the way explaining what else you can do, and if you open up the camera app, you can't actually take any pictures, but you can tap around and you'll come across this guy named Logan who will explain some photography options that are available. And you can see all of the different modes and things that you could do with a Samsung device and its camera. Now, Samsung's interactive experience is kind of cool. There are a few jokes that are sprinkled in, and when you go to the settings app, for example, if you tap on a setting, it'll say that the experience was simplified so that their developers could have a lunch break. Just little fun things like that are just kind of seen throughout this whole experience. And I mean, it's in no way supposed to give you an accurate impression of how your phone might perform, but at least you can get an idea of what certain features or functions look like and where things are located. You can swipe down for the notification shade, you can swipe up for applications, swipe to the left to see the Google Snapshot window with funny fake articles. I mean, it's a cool idea, and I totally understand why this exists. This is for people like parents who might be super comfortable with an iPhone, but maybe want to try something different. There's no uncomfortable feeling of going into a store and have to learn how things are set up, and you can just, all from the comfort of your own home, mess around with this before making a financial commitment. But of course, I'd love to know your thoughts in the comments down below. Do you think this is a cool idea? Could this actually work for you? Would this make you switch to a different device? Go ahead and let me know in those comments down below. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you around in the next video.